Want this? Here's the tutorial. Before we start to the tutorial, I would you to support me if you enjoy this video. You can like, subscribe, and hit the notification number. Or you can also join my paid subscriber for Get Better Experience and a video only for my paid subscriber in the future. So thank you for that. Let's enjoy the tutorial. Insert 4 picture and dots set all for 0.2 second. Pin a keyframe in start and ending of picture. In the end, keyframe. Zoom the picture. For little bit, apply to all. And then save to gallery. Add that saved video here. Make the video speed for 0.5 seconds. Copy the video for 5 times. Add this element from gallery, or you can screenshot this element in the end of this video. Follow the photo size and fill all screen. Then we splice the dot element and follow this setting. Add the last overlay from your gallery. Remove the background. This is the results of your editing. Now save your video. And this is the results. This is the element you can screenshot here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Comment below what you want to see next. See you in the next video.